everyone! Today, David and I are going to act out 10 real-life English conversations for beginners.
These are simple dialogues you can use in everyday situations.
If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.
And stay until the end. We have a surprise about the next episode.
Hi, can I get a small coffee, please?
Sure, with milk or coffee.
With a little milk, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a cookie.
Okay, that's $4.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon.
Excuse me, is there a bus stop near here?
Yes, just down the street on the left.
Can I walk there?
Yes, it's only 2 minutes.
Great, thanks.
No problem.
Do you know where the rice is?
Yes, aisle 5.
Thanks, and where can I find eggs?
Next to the milk in the back.
Perfect, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment.
Sure, what day do you prefer?
Friday morning, if possible.
We have 10 a.m. available.
That's okay, thank you.
You're welcome, see you then.
Hi, can I try this shirt on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
Do you have it in medium?
Yes, one moment, here you go.
Thanks a lot.
Let me know if you need anything else. Hello, how do I get a library card?
Just fill out this form.
Do I need an ID?
Yes, please.
Here it is.
Great, your card will be ready in 2 minutes.
Hi, I'd like to order a pizza.
What size?
Medium, please.
And what toppings?
Just cheese and tomato.
Okay, delivery in 30 minutes.
Hi, how much is a monthly membership?
It's $25.
Do you offer classes?
Yes, yoga and Pilates.
Nice, I'll sign up today.
Great. Thank you. Excuse me, do you have headache medicine?
Yes, it's on shelf 3.
Do I need a prescription?
No, you can buy it directly.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Is this bench free?
Yes, you can sit.
Thanks. The weather is nice today.
Very nice. I love nights.
Me too. And that was our 10 real-life conversations.
Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comments.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video.
Because in the next episode, we're doing English at the airport.
See you soon.